They say love is blind, but in Hollywood, sometimes love is branded. Every celebrity relationship from Beyonce and Jay-Z to Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce isn't necessarily just a romance. It's a business move. Some couples merge audiences, some rebuild reputations, and others, whether we admit it or not, are crafted in boardrooms before they ever hit the red carpet and shock their audience. Love and romance are part of any human experience. However, when it comes to pop culture, it goes without saying that love can also be a strategy, and when it's done right, it can transform two separate brands into a cultural empire. Hey friends, I'm Ana The Marketeer, your friendly neighborhood marketeer baddie. I break down the branding and marketing strategies of celebrities, creators, and campaigns so you can apply them to your own brand. And today, we're breaking down how celebrity relationships can skyrocket or sabotage a personal brand and what you can learn from it for your own business or creative journey. But first, I know most of you watching this aren't subscribed to my channel. If you've been enjoying breakdowns like this, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next case study. And if you subscribe to my newsletter today, you'll get my free authentic branding checklist that will help you stay aligned while you level up. The link is in the description. Also, you can now listen and follow Ana The Marketeer on Spotify. The link is in the description as well. Now, let's break it down. Why romantic relationships matter for celebs. We like to believe celebrity couples are all about love stories, and sure, some are completely authentic, but the reality for many celebrity power couples is that the relationship and how the public views it is about alignment. In branding, we call this association marketing. The idea that pairing two strong brands creates mutual benefit. They share audiences, credibility, and cultural capital. It's exactly what Beyonce was talking about in her song Upgrade You. She was hunting for synergy, alignment, and someone to grow wealth with. The core message of that song was stand next to me and I make you more valuable. When two public figures come together, they create a fusion brand, one that's bigger than either of them alone. But here's the flip side. If the relationship ends or the balance shifts, one person often walks away stronger and the other walks away rebranded, whether they like it or not. Iconic celebrity relationships. So now we're going to dive into a few case studies about a small selection of Hollywood's most well-known buzzworthy relationships. As much as I'd like to touch on every culturally relevant couple, I can't have this video being 18 hours long. So I've got 5 cases I feel are worth diving into, but I would love to read your comments about which other celeb relationships you personally think helped or hindered their brand. With that being said, let's take a look at number 1, Beyonce and Jay-Z. Of course, we gotta look at B and J. Before Lemonade, Beyonce and Jay-Z seemed like the perfect power couple. She was the picture of precision, power, stage presence, mastery, and female perfection. He was the business mogul and self-made billionaire. Together, they embodied generational wealth and longevity. Their partnership was aspirational. Music, business, marriage, all rolled into one seamless brand identity. Then came Lemonade, a scandal that could have shattered them. But instead, Beyonce turned her husband's infidelity into a cultural reset by owning the narrative, redefining it, and using it to deepen her emotional credibility. There was no sense in denying it, and B knew that. Plus, it helped to humanize their power couple brand. It showed even with all the fame and money, we're still humans that go through rocky periods in our relationship. Our Bay-Z brand takeaway: when you control your own story, no scandal can define you. Vulnerability, when used strategically, builds trust. Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet. Kylie has reinvented herself more times than most people update their phones. Her early King Kylie era featuring Tyga, Snapchat filters, matte lippies, and chaotic youth was all about rebellion and hyper fame. But by the time she was spotted with Timothée Chalamet, the dynamic shifted. Timothée represented prestige, art house credibility, and understated luxury. By association, Kylie's brand matured overnight. Suddenly, she wasn't just the lip kit mogul. She was part of Hollywood's serious elite. It's not a coincidence that her marketing campaigns around that time leaned more editorial, more elevated, and less reality TV. Our brand takeaway from Kylie and Timothée: partnerships, whether romantic or professional, can reposition your image. When you align with someone respected in the space you want to enter, you borrow their credibility, until it becomes your own. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce. I'll tread lightly here, Swifties. Don't be coming for me. Taylor and Travis shocked everyone when their relationship went public. Taylor was fresh out of her Maddie Healy phase that was preceded by her 7-year stint with her lover muse, Joe. To see her fall in love and eventually get engaged to an all-star NFL player felt like teenage Taylor's love story coming true. And hey, maybe it is as simple as that, but from a brand perspective, it's also one of the smartest crossovers we've seen in pop culture. Taylor's brand thrives on narrative, love, heartbreak, and reinvention. She also held the self-proclaimed Miss Americana title and had quite a political F the patriarchy attitude.
And you were tossing me the car keys, fuck the patriarchy. And you were tossing me the car keys, fuck the patriarchy.
Travis's brand lives in the world of sports, masculinity, and mainstream Americana. Together, they created a bridge between two massive audiences who rarely overlap. Taylor brought a new demographic of fans to the NFL. The league's female viewership spiked. Her presence generated hundreds of millions in earned media value for the sport. And Travis gained a level of household recognition most athletes only dream about. Even non-NFL fans know who the Kelce family is. And needless to say, he isn't the only member of his family who has benefited from the partnership either. The New Heights podcast was already exceptionally popular, but Taylor's appearance on the podcast broke Guinness World Records, according to NBC News. What's most impressive is that neither brand feels diluted. Taylor didn't lose her authenticity, although many people feel the music she created during her time with Travis isn't comparable to her older albums. It seems Taylor has merely evolved and expanded her authentic brand, and Travis didn't lose his credibility as an athlete. He became a cultural icon. What we can learn from Taylor and Travis: you can go mainstream without losing your niche. The key is authenticity and evolution. Collaborate where your values overlap, not where they compete. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. Few celebrity pairings have shifted pop culture like Kim and Kanye. When they joined forces in 2012, it was clear that apart from their years of friendship evolving into romance, their combo was a branding masterstroke. Kim brought mainstream fame, aesthetic influence, and a mastery of social media. And Kanye brought artistic credibility, high fashion access, and cultural authority. Together, they turned celebrity into a luxury lifestyle brand. Kanye reimagined Kim's image, from reality star to Vogue cover girl, and Kim helped Kanye pivot from musician to fashion mogul. Their shared aesthetic, minimalist, aspirational, and monochrome, became a global template. They also have 4 children together. But as Kanye's controversies mounted, the partnership fractured. The one symbiotic brand split into 2 in 2021. Kim leaned into refinement and independence, pursuing law, business, and motherhood as symbols of modern empowerment. Kanye, as we all know, doubled down on unpredictability and creative chaos. But the split wasn't detrimental. Both remained powerful, but their brands no longer serve the same audience. The partnership that once built empire-level visibility now stands as a lesson in brand risk and recovery. The Kim and Kanye takeaway here is simple. Aligning with someone who elevates you can be transformative, but if your values diverge, the same visibility that built you can break you. Protect your brand equity before the partnership defines it for you. Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart. And to conclude our case studies, no list would be complete without Hollywood's alleged favorite PR relationship, Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart during Twilight. Their relationship fueled one of the most successful fan cultures of the 2000s. On-screen romance became off-screen myth. The timing, the press, the photos, it all reinforced the fantasy the studio was selling. But when the films ended, so did the relationship. Some say their Kristen cheating scandal was the cause. Others say the contractual obligations were over. However, both actors immediately took creative control back. Kristen pivoted into indie films and art house credibility. Rob became the unexpected leading man, redefining himself through roles in The Lighthouse, Mickey 17, and of course playing Batman. What can we take away from this partnership is strategic partnerships can serve a short-term goal, but when the campaign ends, reclaiming your individuality is crucial. Temporary alliances don't have to define your long-term identity. So here's what they teach us about building brands that evolve and partnerships that actually elevate. Number 1, relationships are partnerships. Every partnership, whether romantic, professional, or creative, is a branding opportunity. You attract what you project. That's why partnering with the wrong person, even romantically, can impact how your brand is perceived. If you want to be seen as high value, align with people who represent that energy. If you want to be seen as authentic, collaborate with those who share your mission. The people you associate with shape how the world interprets you. Don't ever forget that. 2. Evolution isn't selling out. Evolving doesn't mean losing your core. It means expressing it differently. The same goes for celebrity couples who outgrow old narratives. Speaking specifically to the woman mentioned here today, Beyonce, Kylie, Taylor, Kristen, and Kim, they've all shifted their sound, style, and circle without abandoning their core values. If anything, they've altered and enhanced how people see them as they've grown. For brands and creators, that's the goal, to grow visibility, but consistently. Evolve your presentation, not your principles. 3. Scandal can be strategic if you own it. Romances are seldom ever perfect. Beyonce and Jay-Z turned infidelity into empowerment. Taylor turned heartbreak into billion-dollar storytelling. Even alleged PR relationships like Kristen and Rob turned fake intimacy into real financial success. The rule: if controversy hits, you control the framing. The audience will always crave a story. Make sure it's your version they hear first. Number 4. Balance mystery and transparency. Some celebs, like Taylor and Beyonce, thrive on controlled access. They let fans feel close without giving everything away. Others reinvent through openness, showing sides that feel fresh and sincere. For personal brands, the same applies. Share enough to connect, but not so much that people stop being curious. A little mystery keeps your brand magnetic. And 5. Every breakup is a rebrand. When celebrity couples split, the aftermath becomes a clean slate. Kylie found her grown-up audience post-Tyga. Kristen and Rob reclaimed creative freedom. And Kim Kardashian, after Kanye, leaned into minimalism and self-made luxury. Whether your business partnership, collaboration, or job ends, use that as your rebrand moment. A breakup isn't a failure. It's proof of evolution. At the end of the day, celebrity relationships can be branding laboratories. They remind us that who you align with, how you tell your story, and how you evolve all shape the public's trust in your name. Because whether you're a chart-topping artist or a one-person business, your relationships are reflections of your values, and they can elevate or erode your credibility overnight. So whether it's love, business, or both, remember, the most powerful partnerships don't complete your brand, they complement it. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you love this breakdown, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which celebrity relationship stands out to you as one that changed the game for both parties. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Marketer's Memo, give me a follow on TikTok and IG if you love what you see, and if you're interested in consultations related to branding or marketing strategy, you can hit me up at my email in the description below. Until next time, marketeers, stay authentic, stay strategic, and most importantly, stay you.